since then. So, oh my gosh, we have so much to
You're a busy
catch up
grandma.
on. Yes, I am.
Well, we got a whole bunch of products that are brand new, and we're going to get through them really quickly. So we're going to start, girl. Those two are going to be gone. I'm sorry I kind of shooed you away.
I know.
I just didn't want to waste your time on those because they will be sold out in a second.
Yeah, they're going
Are you ready to do this next one?
Yes, flip it. Okay, so I'm really known, really for my flip its. I love my flip its. And when people see this, they're like, oh my gosh, that's so cute, but I can't do that. That's so complicated. I am going to show you right this second how stinking easy it is, okay? You're going to get all these awesome dies, and a lot of them are just really great and everything, but the hero of the story is the biggest die. The biggest die. You are going to run this through your die cut machine, a standard 6-inch machine. Just run it right through, and you're going to get this. Now, this is the die cut. It does not cut out all the way. It cuts out exactly where it's supposed to, and it also has this nice, deep score line. You can see those 4 score lines, nice and deep. Now, the next thing you're going to do is take the next 2 largest dies, because I love to give you the layering dies to make this awesome. And then you're going to die cut those. So let's put this together really fast, because I want you to see all I've done here is die cut, right? I'm going to peel this off, adding adhesive to it. So I'm just going to layer this on right like this. Now you'll notice I've done all the math for you. There's pink all the way around this. Isn't that awesome? Now we're going to grab the other one, and we're going to lay this one down as well. Now, the trick, this is the trick. The trick is, do not decorate the center until you have folded it. Now, we're going to go up here above my shoulder, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to fold. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. You want to have a big bottom, little top. You're going to fold it in half towards you. Take the top flap, fold that up, and boom, you are, whoops, there we go. You are done.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
so
right?
Fast. So
right?
fast.
Okay, so just what? 2 die cuts, running it through the machine, boom, done. Then now you get to decorate the inside. Now, why did I say don't decorate the inside yet? Because you might decorate the wrong side.
Right.
So now you're going to decorate the inside. Now, it comes with, and I haven't even shown you what it comes with, but it comes with all these matching stamps. So this big hello is going to fit there. This, you are my everything. So happy for you. Thinking of you. You're going to stamp those and die cut them. I've already done it.
And the die cuts for those are included.
Yes. Oh, yes. Everything is included.
And there's a concentric die cut in here.
Yes.
Oh,
my goodness. So now I have my, you are my everything. And now I can decorate literally the inside and everything. It comes with all these flowers. It has the high. You get to decide. Now you said a big fancy word.
What did I say?
You said concentric. I don't even know that word. Okay. So I know what it meant, but I don't even know that word. So this is it. This is the die you were talking about. Yes. So what it is it's these 2 dies up here. Let me grab them.
They can get to them. Just let me show them.
So this, the high die.
That's
and
the high die.
The die that's next to it.
All right, these
so,
two
right,
little
those
guys
2.
right
if
there.
I run those through at the same time, I'm going to get this.
You're going to get high.
I'm going to get high. I'm going to get high. Now,
there's extra benefits with this kid.
If I die cut it, just the outside die, I'm going to get this green part right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm just going to drop this down right there. Of course, it all layers perfectly. So I'm going to grab the high, lay that on top. Now, how quick did I do that? So quick and easy. Boom. You are my everything.
Can I give you a really quick tip on this one, guys?
Yes.
I did a flip card a long time ago, and it was for my son's graduation. And I had a picture of him when he was in 1st grade. And when you flipped it, I had his grad picture on it.
Oh,
so I went for ages, like first day of school, whatever it might be. Or if someone's got a 25th birthday, do a card like that. Or maybe it's a 50th birthday, and you get somebody's baby picture and then do their recent picture. Cute. Everybody loves the flip. The problem is figuring it out.
Right.
That's always like a nightmare. And of course, because Stephanie's brilliant. She's figured it all out. And here's what I love. And this is true with all Stephanie's kits you're going to see today. You get dies that are kind of forever and ever and ever. You get stamps that are forever and ever and ever. So whatever pattern colors you could use any of our fabulous Crafting Friends products here at HSN with different colors, different moods, whatever you want to do. This is what you want to get your hands on. And the price is so good at $24.95.
Now, Suzanne, really quick, I need to mention these are photopolymer stamps.
Okay.
Yep. These are the highest quality photopolymer. We are going to love those. They're going to last you literally, they're going to last longer than we are.
Exactly. But that matters, though. It really matters. They're photopolymer.
They are awesome. Yep. And here we go. There's another one. Hi. You can put your little message in there. Cute. Here's one. And this is a little trickier. Watch this. This is a special technique I call the hidden panel. So you can hide a gift card in here. You can hide a secret message. That's now, adorable. Definitely, I have videos on my website that show how to do that. Totally easy. But I'm all about easy. I'm easy.
Yes, yes. But she's easy and she's high.
easy.
Other than that, we're good. This is
love
my
it.
kind of show. But again, what's really cool about it is you'll be able to impress the heck out of everybody, and you don't have to really know how to do it, because it's very difficult when you try to figure out the calculations on yourself. So thanks for that.
Right. Yes.
Hey, Sam, I do want to do an update on the 2 prior kits. How are we doing on those? Because I'm betting they've got to be almost gone. Okay, if you want the pumpkin, which is kind of like a coffee cup, right?
Pumpkin spice, yes.
Adorable.
Yes.
There's
Yes.
Now about 20 left of that.
Oh gosh.
And then the other one was going to be the
Trim the tree. Yes.
Okay, there's a little over 100 left in the trim a tree. Was there something on the trim a tree that's like
yes,
it's super
there's something
adorable?
really cool, because and you have to go watch the original
Well, you know
show
what
of
they can
it.
do? Can you guys just grab one of the finished trim a trees and grab a couple of them?
And
because I whipped through it so
Yes.
fast trying to save time to
There-
get to everything else.
it has the shadow dye and the inside dye. So that's the key word, the inside dyes.
Okay, got it.
That's really important.
Okay. And we'll try to grab a couple examples and show you that in just a second. All right, Steph, you ready to move on?
Yeah, let's move
Now
it. We're
let's
going
do
that
this
way.
is over here, and I can barely wait.
Oh. I didn't get it for half a second.
Totally
it took me
you
a second. because